Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Docker desktop to access WSL2 network, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Windows settings. Navigate to Update and Security. Select for developers from the left sidebar. Ensure that developer mode is enabled. Next, download and install Docker desktop from the official Docker website. Once installation is complete, launch Docker desktop. In the Docker desktop application, go to Settings. Select the General tab. Check the option labeled Use the WSL2 based engine. Now, navigate to the Resources section in the Settings. Click on WSL Integration. Enable the integration for your WSL distributions. Return to your WSL terminal. Run the command WSL list verbose to check your distributions. Make sure your preferred distribution is set to WSL2. If necessary, convert it by running WSL set version distribution name 2. Next, update your Docker desktop settings to ensure the correct distribution is selected. Open the WSL terminal again. Run the command Docker version to verify Docker is accessible. You will see the version displayed if Docker is properly set up. To test Docker functionality, run a sample command like docker run hello world. This command will pull an image from the Docker hub and run it. If everything works correctly, you'll receive a success message. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Docker desktop to access the WSL2 network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.